I'll be the first to tell you, I do not like videos to start with, here are the 10 things that you need to know. But this is the only way I know how to do this video, so here are the 6 things that must be done if you are accused of a sex offense. Look, folks, the punishment on sex offenses is astronomical. It is through the stratosphere. And therefore, we are going to come early on this, and we are going to fight hard on this straight from the get-go. 6 things that must be done. Number 1, you're innocent of this. I'm sending you to a polygraph exam from some people that I know that used to work for the FBI. And they're going to put you through the polygraph and make sure that you check out. When you check out, the next place I'm sending you is to a doctor. All right, now, why? Why do I send you to a doctor? You need a psychosexual evaluation. And the reason you need a psychosexual eval is because for 30 years plus now, I have been defending cases like this, and the prosecutor on the other side and the detective on the other side see some accusations from somebody, and they assume that you are some sort of predator that's been doing this all the time and would continue to do it unless they put you away in prison so you can stop doing it. No, no, no. They're not qualified to say that. They have no freaking clue what they're talking about. I want science. I want an actual scientist that evaluates people with sexual problems to evaluate you. Let's see what the science says on this. Based on the results of a psychosexual evaluation, you are not a predator. You are not any sort of threat to society. I love those reports. I need those reports. That has to be done up front. It has to be done quickly. Number 3, what has to be done quickly, folks, is evidence can evaporate in these cases unless we jump fast. So we are going to hire an investigator to go get some evidence. I know that it seems weird that you just have a he said, she said, but until we send somebody out to start looking around, are there any cameras in the area? Did this really happen the way that this person claims it happened? Physically, did it happen? We need to get an investigator to gather the physical evidence that we can do on our side. Number 4, that same investigator is going to need to go out and talk to some witnesses. I represented a young man that was accused of rape recently, and all the detective did was talk to the girl and talk to the girl's mom and said, let's go arrest this guy and put him in prison for life, right? Let's do it. We found 11 witnesses, and we interviewed and we got a transcript from 11 conversations, and we submitted all that to the prosecutor, and guess what? My client did not get arrested. The case is gone. It is over. Why? Because we did our work up front, whereas the detective didn't do much of anything. Oh, let me spend a few minutes with this woman that's accusing you, and now let's go arrest somebody. No, no, no. That is not how it should work. And we got the other side, and we got the transcripts, and we got rid of that. But that's all because we acted fast and we were able to talk to these witnesses. Number 5, I also want some sort of character witnesses, if I can get some from you, because there's got to be somebody in your life, I hope, that would say that, oh, he would not do this. I know he wouldn't do this, etc., etc. I know that's not evidence, but I want it. And it is harder to get than you think. Because when people accuse you of something serious, like it's so easy to drop an accusation bomb and grenade in somebody's life and it goes off and there's really no consequences whether they lied or not. But people will turn on you. And people that you thought loved and cared about you, all it takes is an accusation of an icky kind and they've bolted, right? I mean, it's sad, but I've seen it so many times. You have these untested people in your life, and this is a test, right? And they fail that test. So I'm sorry to say some of them do. But I hope for your sake that there are some people in your life that will actually come forward and help you out. So those are some things that you need to have done early. I hope I covered all 6. That's it.